mismo. Ayan, ayan.
Hello,
Pero nagre-request, sinasagot na eh.
What the fuck?
Nigas action yung galit lagi.
Niga.
Niga action.
Ulit.
Dalawang ring syempre, dalawang ring.
Fuck, ayun.
Game. 1, 2, 3.
Nigas. Niga.
Hello, my name is Julian and you're calling Louis' birthday. How can I help you?
Hi, Jin. My phone is not working. I hope you can help me with it.
How can I help you, man?
My phone is not working. How can you help me with it?
How can your phone work?
My phone
It's
is
not
not
working.
Can't you hear me?
What is your problem?
I can't
What is the problem with the
make out
phone?
or receive any calls.
Yes, your
Because of-
phone is can't receive any phone calls, and you just have to turn it off, you know, and change your SIM card. Is that so?
Oh, actually, I thought your phone doesn't need a SIM card.
That's the problem. You don't have a SIM card.
Pwede.
Pasok ka, pasok.
The phone is activated by your system, so I don't have to need a SIM
No,
card.
my system don't have a system.
Pwede.
I have minutes on my phone. I already paid for it. So what seems to be a problem?
No, you pay for it? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure that I used my credit card and I already paid for it for this month. So what seems to be a problem? Please tell me.
Maybe you're not loading
in
Econ load.
What icon load? I
Econ
don't
load is
understand that.
100 calls and 100 text messages and 3-minute call.
I'm sorry, but I don't understand that. I've already paid for my monthly plan.
I'm sorry, you're in a plan, and
Yes, I'm on a plan.
yeah. Do you have a family plan?
I've already paid with my plan. So what seems to be the problem?
How many is
Is
your
it your
children?
network?
What?
Is it your network?